Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to upload a Vantage theme on your WordPress website. So just let's go. I just gonna open the website. My website is here open already. So now there are the two different methods to upload your WordPress theme. First of all, you have to go open the dashboard and go to appearance and then themes. And you can see here there are the three different type of themes are available. The number one, 2017. This is the demo theme given from the WordPress, and two others. These are the demo themes by the given to the WordPress, and you have to upload your own theme. Just simply click here, add new, and then you can click here the upload theme, and you have to upload your theme, but make sure which file you're gonna upload is in a zip form. If it's not, so you cannot upload your theme by choosing this method. You can see if you have a zip format, maybe you can install by uploading here. So make sure you have a zip file. You just simply choose like I have on my desktop, I have a Vantage theme here, you can see, but this is not in a zip form. So I gonna upload, I have another one method which I gonna share with you. You have to use the one software which I already show in the last video. I gonna use the Qt FTP software which will help to upload my theme, and we have to here provide my FTP host name, my here username, password, and then I have to connect with my website account. So I just gonna fill up this information here. So here is my my FTP host name. I just gonna select, copy, and I gonna paste here. Just paste here, and username, here is my FTP username, copy, and then simply paste here, and then I gonna just type here the password. So now I just gonna click here on a connect. Let's see what will be happen. So you can see here my few folders are here. I just gonna click here on the htdocs, and then you can see this is my WordPress files. Here is the WP admin, here is my WP content. So I just gonna click here on the WP content, and then you can see here the plugins, themes are stored. So I just want to upload my Vantage theme, so I will click on the themes, and then you can see here the 2015, 17, and 16, which I already showed you here on my WordPress website. So I want to upload my own theme, so I will select the file where is my Vantage. So here is my Vantage file. Okay, let's open now. Just select and just drag and drop here, go back, and then select and drag and drop here, and then you can see here my Vantage website is already started and it's uploading. It will take a few minutes, maybe 2 or 3 minutes, so let's wait, and when it's completed I will show you how to activate this website, this theme on our WordPress website. And in the next video I will show you how to create a drop-down menus on your WordPress website. So guys, my Vantage theme is already uploaded, so you can see here it's blue, looking blue here. And now let's go on the website and then watch. Just I gonna refresh. Okay, refresh, and here on the right side we can see here our Vantage theme. So now you can see here the activate option you can see like here activate and customize. This theme is currently activated. You can see this is my word demo theme. This is activated right now currently, and now I gonna activate this one. This is my Vantage theme. So now I just gonna activate. Just click here, activate, and then I will refresh it. Now you can see here the customize and here activate and activate. So this theme is currently activated right now, and now I just gonna refresh here. This refresh, and you can see here this is our Vantage theme, and this is currently activated, and this is a demo meta slider. I will make the video how to change the meta slider and how to add our own photos and videos on the meta slider. We will build our nice looking slider on here on our website, and you can see here our just only 2 pages are available, home and simple page. And the next video I will tell you how to create a drop-down menus here, and in the next one video I will make specifically how to make a meta slider. So this was about only how to upload our Vantage theme. Whatever any theme you have, you can upload by using these method only. I just gonna repeat again. Just click here, add new and upload theme, and you have to choose here. You have to make sure you have a zip format, the format your theme, and if you have a zip file you can upload by using here. Just click here the choose file and just select your theme and just click here install now, and then simply activate. Or if you don't have a zip format, you can upload another method here, Qt FTP. This is a professional software. A lot of professionals they use the Qt FTP. You have to enter your host name, username and password. You have to connect with your website, and then like I'm gonna show you here, when you will be logging, you have to click on htdocs and WP content, and then you have to click here the themes, and now you have to choose your theme and just simply drag and drop, and then it will be take 2 or 3 minutes and your theme will be uploaded, and then simply refresh and just click on the activate. Your theme will be activated. So that's it. That's a very simple method. I hope you will be understand, and if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any question, please leave the message and a video. I will respond as soon possible. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.